What's the meaning of campaigner? Campaigner. Campaigner.
Campaigner. Campaigner. A campaigner is someone who actively promotes and supports a particular cause, often through public advocacy or organized efforts. They strive to raise awareness, generate support, and influence decision-makers on issues they care about. Campaigners can be found in many different fields, including politics, social justice, environmentalism, and business. Their ultimate goal is to effect positive change and achieve their desired outcomes. Whether they are working alone or as part of a team, campaigners' efforts can make a significant impact on the world around them and improve the lives of others.